I'm Mickey Person. I am the ICRA Program Manager at Gravie. Yeah, Gravie is a new insurance carrier as well as a TPA that is bringing a couple health solutions to the marketplace. We have our proprietary level-funded group plan that's very unique plan design. It's called Comfort. And then we also have a shopping platform and administer ICRAs, the individual coverage health reimbursement arrangement. Our Comfort plan, it is a first-of-its-kind plan design that covers 100% of the common in-network services for all members. So it's a value plan that allows employers to give employees a benefit that's beneficial to all their employees, just not the high claimants or those with high claims throughout the year. Yeah, so Gravie was established in 2013. We really started in the individual health space, selling individual policies through our platform to employees within their employers. And then 5 or 6 years ago, we brought our level-funded proprietary plan and have seen significant growth in the last few years and have really benefited through the partnership with our broker partners and channel partners offering these benefits to their groups. Always be looking for something new and innovative. Don't get stuck in what works now and what is working. Always look to change it and make it better.